Buildertrend is being promoted as an all-in-one platform for construction project management, scheduling, budgeting, and client communication. But the real question is whether it actually improves workflows or just adds another layer of software. Now, the idea behind this isn't fake. Buildertrend is a well-established tool used by contractors and builders to manage projects more efficiently. However, here's the key point. It can significantly help, but depends on how well you adopt and use it. Pros. 1. All-in-one system. Combine scheduling, budgeting, messaging, and document management, reducing the need for multiple tools. 2. Improves client communication. Client portals and updates make it easier to keep homeowners and teams aligned in real time. Cons. 1. Learning curve. The platform can feel overwhelming at first, especially for smaller teams or new users. 2. Pricing. It's relatively expensive compared to simpler tools, which may not suit small businesses. So, does Buildertrend actually help project management? Yes, if used properly. The bottom line is this. Buildertrend can streamline construction workflows and improve organization, but it requires time to learn and justify its cost. It's best suited for teams that want a centralized, professional system, not a simple tool. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.